The rounds of the soul. 21st round in the divine will, the scourging at the pillar, the carrying of the cross and the crucifixion. My tormented Jesus, they now bring you once again before Pilate where new sufferings await you. After sentencing you to be scourged, they remove your clothes and tie you to a column to whip you barbarically. I embrace your divine feet so that my I love you may resound in every blow you receive, in every piece of tattered flesh they tear from your body and in every wound open up in you. I cry out, I love you, to implore you to remove from us the rags of the human will and cover us with the garment of your divine will, so that we may seek and experience nothing apart from your supreme fiat. My scourged Jesus, although you are already unrecognizable, your enemy's cruelty remains unappeased. My heart cannot bear to see you undergo so much torture. Oh, how I long to rescue you from all this with my, I love you, I adore you, I bless you and I thank you, with which I entreat you to establish on earth the kingdom of your fiat. For only your kingdom can put an end to the suffering your enemies force you to endure and which I am compelled to witness with continuous sorrow. They now crown you with thorns, put on you a tattered purple robe, place a reed in your hand and mock you as a false king. O my Jesus, my life, may my I love you adorn every thorn that pierces your head. I entreat you to remove from us the false crown and tattered purple robe that our human will has placed on us, and remove from our hands the reed of so many empty works that wields a false authority over us. Grant us the crown of your divine will, its royal purple robe that is reserved for your true children and your fiat's true scepter of command that rules and exercises dominion over our souls. Jesus, my King, my I love you follows your love and, from our two loves that unify, one soul love emerges. From our one love I acquire such divine power as to make you feel my love at the moment in which there resounds in your ears the death sentence of those who cry out, crucify him, crucify him. And I, reversing their outcry of crucify him, issue forth my outcry, I love you within every voice and upon every tongue, whereby all may cry out, may the human will be crucified and may your divine will reign. For the sake of the sorrow you experienced in being condemned to death, free us from putting to death your fiat in our souls, grant that our human will may die to itself, make your divine will take up its triumphant life in us and establish its kingdom in all of our acts. My love, my heart cannot bear to see you as you approach the cross, you embrace it and carry it on your shoulders. Oh, how I yearn to bathe your entire cross with my I love you, I adore you and I bless you. For the sake of your cross, I beseech you to make all the sufferings your love asks souls to endure, bear the virtue of your divine fiat, so that, through such sufferings, they may be disposed to receive its dominion. Oh, how I yearn to cry out in every suffering you endure and in every drop of your blood you shed, may your fiat come. And for every time you fall, in every yanking of your blood-stained hair and in every shove you receive, I love you, may the kingdom of your will come. O my Jesus, with your body convulsing from having been stomped on and dragged along the way, you finally reach Mount Calvary. They now despoil you of your garments, extend you upon the cross and, with your body convulsing from unspeakable agony, they crucify you. May my I love you flow upon your lacerated limbs, throughout your dislocated bones and in the piercings of the nails. I grant the seal of my I love you the first place in all of your pains. I ask you to strip us of everything that impedes your divine will from reigning in our hearts, and to extend the reign of your will throughout the entire world. My crucified Jesus, your body convulses and agonizes on the cross. I impress the seal of my I love you upon your bodily convulsions, the sorrowful pangs of your heart and the loving flames that devour it. May my I love you refresh you and quench your burning thirst. With my I love you I seal all the words you speak from the cross, and I receive your last breath with my I love you to ask you, for the sake of the excruciating pains you endured on the cross, to grant us the grace of a burning desire to live in your divine will. May we experience in our own wills the consummation you experienced on the cross, so that our wills may be consumed in your will. May your death give death to our own will, and may your fiat establish its life within all hearts, and triumphant and victorious extend its reign in the mankind on earth as it is in heaven.